Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the YouTube home screen. Open the app or go to the site and make sure you're signed in. Once signed in, move your cursor or finger to the top right and tap your profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings or Appearance directly. This gets you to the controls for visual themes. Starting here saves time versus digging through browser settings, and it ensures you change the mode for your account or device specifically. Once you're in Settings, find Appearance or Dark Theme. It's often under General or Display. Click Appearance and you'll see options like Light, Dark, and Use Device Theme. Choose Dark to force the dark palette, or select Use Device Theme to match your phone or OS. Make sure to tap or click Confirm if required. Changes generally take effect immediately, transforming backgrounds, player controls, and menus to reduce glare and save battery on OLED screens. After selecting Dark Mode, navigate through the Home, Watch, and Library pages to confirm the theme applied everywhere. If some screens remain light, make sure your browser or app is up to date and then clear cache or refresh the page. Outdated cache can keep old styles visible. If problems persist, reboot your device or uninstall and reinstall the app, because corrupted app data sometimes blocks settings. One of these steps resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.